So Berber carpet, you want to make sure you do your dry strokes, because as you can see to the right of my passes here, it looks dark, right? But watch as I go back over with a dry stroke. Those should disappear, and if they don't, then you know to go back over it one more time. So if you do your passes on here and you don't do dries back over it, you're going to run into dark lines. And with Berber, it doesn't retain the moisture very well, so a lot of times it goes down to the backing of the carpet. So that's why you don't want to do large areas at a time before going back over if you're dry strokes. So I won't do anything much bigger in this room, you know, from wall to wall, just because of that. And that way when you get back over with your dry passes, you pick everything up before it has time to set down into the carpet. So that's what you were seeing over there on the right hand side of my wand at the time. And I'm just doing extra dry passes because this is a traffic area. But there's not a whole lot of anything passing through my carpet wand to the left of me because I did those extra passes. So I need to see where I stopped. So that's important to pay attention to when doing Berber carpet. So many times, if it doesn't get all the moisture out, you'll get brown out, which is a common term carpet cleaners use, or streaks, whichever you'd like to call them. It doesn't dry properly because the proper amount of dry strokes weren't done over it. So that's just a quick tip I wanted to go over. Thanks for watching.